Hey guys, it's John Shepard with Southern Cross Outdoors, and we are here at another completed project in Griffin. We've given you guys some teasers on this project as we've worked through it over the past couple of months. We've had retaining wall, landscape, concrete, and now we finally finished up the outdoor living and entertainment area. So come on in, let's walk through it. So these homeowners paired with another pool company prior to us coming along and had the pool installed, and they did a good job. And So we came in behind them and created the actual overall landscape plan for the around the pool and the outdoor kitchen. And as you can see, we came in here and installed once again another Rosetta hardscapes Kodah wall. We've got the cap and some steps leading up over here to the pool deck, and we can keep walking up here. We'll kind of get an idea of what all we did. We finished this area off with sod after all the pool construction was complete, and we really like these Rosetta steps here. They're cast in place concrete, but they give the look and feel of natural stone. But for us on the installation side, we get the uniformity of a concrete product. So the pool company, left the pool just the coping. We came in and added all the concrete, the steppers all the way around the landscape, just to give it that more new age feel, modern look that the homeowner was after. They've got a historic home, but they really like the modern look of it. So coming over to here, the overall design that we proposed had this pergola, this two-tier outdoor kitchen, and then of course the entertainment space. So we can walk up in here. This just kind of looking over it, we put down plenty of concrete to give the homeowners plenty of room to put the different chairs out and have room to work around. So we step up into here. This was actually the third bay of their garage. So this was completely closed off here, and that was closed off there. So we came in and built this wall here so they could hang their TV, installed the fireplace, and then opened this wall up so they'd have a good view from here, from the kitchen out to the pool. So sometimes the parents could be hanging out up here in the shade, the kids could be playing, big TV, be sitting here watching the game and still be part of the action. We created this grilling porch over on the side here, so the homeowner could put his multiple grills out here and not impede on the actual living space of the area. But it's covered, so if it's raining, you can still be out here enjoying the space. The homeowners chose the gray tile. We put that down. We really like this stone they chose too. This is a product from Cultured Stone. I think the particular one is a hewn stone in this Arctic color, so you really get the white feel. Pair that with the granite countertops. It's just a really clean, modern look. And coming over here to the fireplace, we built out this gas fireplace, electric start, LED, changes colors, and just really adds to the space overall. To finish it off over here, we just added some additional fencing to close it in to the actual pool area, so people coming in from the driveway could access the area. Overall, big fan up there, can lights, lots of stuff going on. But yeah, I believe it turned out really cool. This is a great space for the family to hang out, host parties. Obviously, watch some good football games coming into the fall, but still be a part of the pool and hang out and have a really cool, unique space. So thank you guys for tuning in, and just keep watching us. Give us a like and a follow, and we'll keep you updated on projects.